Hi guys, in this video I just want to show you guys that I've lost a great amount of money from buying call options. Now I switch to selling options, but there's occasionally where I do buy call options because sometimes we do have the urge to do that. But I always try to remind myself and look back at screenshots on why I don't buy call options. If you guys are interested in seeing some screenshots from before, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I just started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's interested in making money and working together to help grow our portfolios. If that is something you're interested in, check out my link down below. We already have 40 members in there and we would love for you to join us. This was my very first post. It's dated November 13th, 2020. And I wrote, my Robinhood account has all my option trading. Every single one of these long calls are negative. Option trading has destroyed my bankroll. Let's see what we have in this account. We had Genius, call option, negative 1,000, IVR, negative 74. Tesla calls, guys, those are the worst. Negative 7,000. If the stock price does not go where you need to go, you're going to lose a lot of money. IMAX, negative 200. High Leon, negative 400. More Tesla, negative 3,000. VRTX, negative 400. And Overstock, negative 2,500. This is why I always stress that buying call options is very dangerous. Yes, it can make you a lot of money, but when you get 1 or 2 home runs, but you're just likely breaking even then. And then we get one of these lucky runs from Tesla. What an amazing run from Tesla. After the announcement of joining the S&P 500 in December, I was down $7,000 on my January 2021 call, and I only made $70 from it. So I went from $7,000 to $70. And throughout that time, it was a lot of sleepless nights. Why suffer when you can sell options and just collect the premium? And then November 28th was when I discovered cash secure puts and cover calls. I said, in the past week, I have learned about cover calls and selling puts. Both of these strategies are a great way to generate income by collecting the premiums. The most someone can make from both of these type of strategy is the premium. So just document it. And then I go ahead and buy a Zoom call. Zoom call has been trending down for weeks now. This one expired worthless. I lost a lot of money. And then we go back to March 10th. You can see my portfolio was at 57%. And then March 12th, 74%. And just recently I posted this one, 84%. So I was able to get all my money back plus more from finding the right type of stocks and avoiding options, especially short-term options. Leap calls are okay, but short-term options like 2 months out, 3 months out, weekly options are the worst. So I just wanted to share this experience with you guys that unless you know where the stock is going to go in the next month or 2 months even, it's going to be very hard to make money with call options. This is why I've been trying to tell people that selling options is the right way to go. So as you can see, I just started selling options end of November last year. And so far, I'm already up from selling those options. And I already did a video earlier, even though we don't get a lot of money from selling options or cover calls, all those premiums that we get, it adds up. We want to be able to make money consistently. If you want to be an investor, a trader, and you want to be in the market as long as possible, we cannot be buying call options or buying crazy stocks that we can eventually lose our entire bankroll. If we lose our entire bankroll, we can't trade anymore. And I am a full-time trader. And I'm also trying to build up my YouTube channel, but that's still a long way to go. So that's why I need to be able to sustain myself with this monthly income. I'm using this income to support myself. I have to pay rent. I have to pay food. I have to pay gas now that everything's opening up. So guys, if you want to make this as a career, as a full-time job, then we need to find strategies that's going to work for us, not against us. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share, that my experience with call options are very bad. And just recently, I did buy a call option because I was so stupid. That is the one thing I regret the most. I have Amazon call options, 8 of them. I'm down a lot of money that it's unthinkable right now at this point. So there you go. My experience buying call options are the worst. I have heard numerous stories and read numerous stories with call options, especially this past week. Options expired worthless on Friday. A lot of them lost their entire savings. Thankfully, I was able to make enough money from some of the stocks that I have invested in last year to cover for my big loss from Amazon. Thankfully. So now I have to start over, avoid buying call options, because we'll never win. In the long term, we'll never win with call options. Never. Unless maybe the top 5%, maybe. But we're having market crashes here and there. We cannot predict where the stock price is going to go. So let me know your experience with call options. And thank you so much for watching if you got this far. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We're just trying to find like-minded people who wants to make money in the stock market, make consistent money.
Share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.